Hi guys, I'm sidheshwarwaeked, Hafele, representing Hafele. We have basically here displayed our Hafele surfaces range, where we are displaying Caesar stone, Decton, and Terra. So this is a triple ID exhibition. First time we have displayed all these products. Mr. Karthik, so basically he is my partner here in Hyderabad. So their firm name is Akar Granite, where we are providing all the products for this particular market. I'll just Mr. Karthik will be introduced about the what are the products we have displayed here and how it is a special from other competition product.
We have two range of quartz brands. One is Caesar stone and one is Terra. So this counter right here is done in Caesar stone's white Attica color, and we have even done different TV units and vanity counters out of it. And we even have Decton. Decton is brand from Spain for sintered stone. So in that we have material in 4 mm, 8 mm, and 12 mm thickness, and the market for Decton is mainly for interior cladding, as well as for kitchen shutters and wardrobe shutters.
We can give a kitchen shutters also, as we have already done here. Even though you can make a different kind of materials with the using this particular product, you can do the vanity unit also, you can do the kitchens also, kitchen shutters also. So a lot of things you can do. We have done one vanity unit with this particular product where you will not see any kind of joints and everything actually. So what we give 10 years warranty for this particular cords material, which no one is given in the India. Then another important thing with this particular product, the finishing, fabrications and everything done by our fabricators. So you will not see any kind of joints or anything actually. That is the specialty of this particular product. So as a Hafele, we are very well known actually. We are a German brand actually, and people knows about the Caesar stone. Caesar stone is almost pioneer. They have invented this particular cords material. It's from Israel actually product. Decton from the Cosentino group from the Spain. These are the speciality of the product actually. They have invented this particular product and they knows about this particular. Worldwide, they are number one in this particular industry. It's a really good opportunity for us actually. We have done displays here, so we are looking for the good partners in terms of architects and all these guys. We have done proper displays here because as a Hafele, they very well known about the other product line actually. But this is the first time where we have done a specialized display for the cords material and ductant and all actually. So Hafele is a well known brand actually. People are using so many years. It is a trusted brand and we have given a very good service to them actually, and they knows about the Hafele actually. This is the one of the division of or vertical of Hafele. We are giving stone as a surfaces as a material for this market, Indian market.